In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in to choosing a template, customizing your design, and finally saving your page so it's ready to use. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to make a landing page that matches your goals and your brand. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and find the option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. On the Campaigns page, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Create button and click it. This opens a panel or page where you can choose what type of campaign you want to create. On the left side, you'll see different options like email, automations, and landing page. Choose landing page. Mailchimp will now ask you to set up some basics. Enter a name for your landing page. Pick something that clearly describes its purpose so you can recognize it later, like newsletter sign up or webinar registration. Then choose the audience you want this landing page to connect to, so new signups are added to the right list in your account. Once you've done that, click Begin. Mailchimp will now show you a range of landing page templates, often organized by goal. For this walkthrough, we'll use a template designed to grow your list, which is ideal if you're collecting email subscribers. Click that template and it will open in the landing page editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a preview of your template on the main part of the screen, usually on the left, and an editing panel on the right. The right-hand panel is where you'll find all the content blocks you can add, like text, images, buttons, and forms. To edit anything that's already in the template, simply click on that block in the preview. When you do, its properties will open on the right side, usually under tabs such as Content, Style, and Settings. Under Content, you can change the text, images, or links. Under Style, adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Settings will often control layout options or visibility. When you hover over a block on the page, you'll see small icons to move, duplicate, or delete it. Use the drag icon to reposition the block, the duplicate icon if you want a copy of it, and the trash or delete icon to remove it entirely. If you want to add new elements, use the blocks in the right panel. Click and drag a block, then drop it onto your page where you want it to appear. Once it's placed, make sure it's selected, and then edit it using the same Content, Style, and Settings tabs on the right. You'll also notice a Main Style tab in the editor that controls overall page design. Inside this, you can switch between page, header, body, mobile styles, notification bar, and the Mailchimp badge. Take a moment to click through each of these sections. For example, page and body let you choose background colors, fonts, and general layout. Header controls the top section of your page. Mobile styles help you fine-tune how your landing page looks on phones, which is very important since many visitors will be on mobile. The notification bar and Mailchimp badge options let you adjust or toggle some of those extra elements to keep your design clean and professional. As you work, Mailchimp will often autosave, but it's still a good habit to save regularly. Once you're happy with the layout, text, colors, and overall design, go to the top of the editor and click Save and Close. This will save your landing page and exit the editor, bringing you back to the main Mailchimp interface, where you can continue with any final settings and eventually publish it. And that's it. You've created a landing page with Mailchimp, chosen a template, customized the content and design, and saved your work so it's ready to share with your audience.